wanted to give you a first look at my Fenty Skin by Rihanna. Absolutely love the box. It is so beautiful, as I knew it would be. Here is her total cleanser, her daily cleanser, makeup remover in one, the Fenty Skin. I did a full review on these guys, so if you want to go to my account, you'll be able to read a little bit more into detail. The fat water, like this bottle is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Like, are you kidding me? Look at those bubbles in that color. I knew that she would make that flawless. And then lastly, this is also a beautiful bottle in here. This is her moisturizer and SPF. Let's see if I can open it up for you guys. Comes with this. And then the refillable package. Oh, hold on. Sorry, guys. And just slide that right in there. And absolutely, again, beautiful. I gave my honest opinion on my Twitter and my Instagram, Facebook. If you guys want to know more, feel free to message me. But all in all, I would just say that my favorite thing about it is this package is beautiful, which I knew it absolutely would be. So again, guys, first look at Fenty Skin.